Good afternoon. So let me start with a quote from a well-known sociologist. The task of today is to bring chaos into order. And we are here to bring your modern-day work chaos into order and help businesses improve performance and productivity. I'm Sagar Babbar, founder and CEO of Collaborate Cloud, an online work management platform. So I have a successful IT services company, which I founded and bootstrapped in 2008. I was running the company until 2013, when I handed over to my managers to take care, while I wanted to focus on Collaborate Cloud, which is a much larger opportunity. So we have 40 employees working with startups in Fortune 500s, helping them achieve operational excellence through web and mobile applications. And a lot of these companies I worked with had similar performance and productivity issues. People within the company were never on the same page. They had no clue what was going on with each other. Business info was fragmented across disconnected systems with no clear workflow or process whatsoever. This resulted in a productivity drag, which costed them about $5,000 per employee per year. And we were building custom solutions for them because there was nothing out there that could solve all the problems. There were tools solving bits and parts of the problems, but nothing that could do it all. And that's where we saw the opportunity to build Collaborate Cloud. So Collaborate Cloud is an online work management platform that connects people within the company from CXOs to front-level staff and bridges the gap between information systems. It allows you to create custom workflows and processes to streamline your work and be more productive. The platform is completely configurable and adapts to the way you want to work. And best of all, it gives you the power to run and scale your business without the need of IT resources. So we have an app store with predefined apps for different business processes to pick from, or you can go in and customize and create your own apps using the drag and drop interface. And like I mentioned, you can create workflows and processes to connect these apps together. And we understand the dependence of people on different third-party tools like Dropbox and Google Drive. We let you bring them onto the platform. We offer you third-party integrations with API and SDKs. So let me give you a real use case with one of our existing customers, Titan Helios, which is a retail company, part of a $15 billion Tata group. Thomas, who's an operations manager with Titan, he's responsible to find out fast-moving items and stock accuracy across all the stores. Now, typically, he needs the stores to do cycle count audits on a daily basis and send him weekly reports. But he never had any way to figure out if the stores were actually doing the audits or were just plugging in the information. He used to spend 15 to 20 hours every week trying to monitor the whole process and ensure there were no slippages. He hated this. Collaborate Cloud helped him streamline his work and get back in control. He created an app to gather all the data from the stores, and he created a workflow to auto-monitor the whole process and send out reminders, escalations automatically. With the real-time data he received from the stores, he was in much better control of his work, and he saved a lot of time by not monitoring and following up. So this is how a product looks like. This is a dashboard of John, who's a general manager in one of the companies. His dashboard contains a bunch of widgets, pulling information from different apps on the platform. He's got an ideas widget that tells him what his people are talking about. He has a sales widget showing him what his sales team is doing and what his pipeline looks like. He's got a couple of other widgets with project deliverables, top performers, important files, and all these widgets are completely customizable. He has an activity feed to let him stay on top of everything. He can share important updates, organize messages, and create actionable items, all at the same time. So we signed up Titan Tata last year, even before we launched our product. So they paid us well in advance to help them solve the problem and replace an SAP product they were using. We then launched Collaborate Cloud towards the end of last year and went on to acquire over 100 paid users and 300 premium users in the next few months. We even got press mentions from some of the top PR and media firms in India and Asia. We were then awarded and recognized as Tech 30, one of top 30 tech emerging companies in India. So our product has been resonating very well with retail companies, and that's where we focus at this point. We're going after retail companies globally with distributed workforce. And it's a pretty big market. There's about 300 million workforce in retail, and for us, the total available market is worth $29 billion. And once we're able to get a good size of that, we're going to focus on other verticals and domains. We're acquiring customers with a mix of online and offline marketing activities. We have a freemium model for up to 5 users. You've got a free trial for 30 days, and we've got a paid plan for $8 per user per month. So we're getting excellent traction from some of the biggest retail companies in India. Our pipeline is over 15,000 users strong. And just last week, we started a pilot with one of the big prospects with the potential to scale to 8,000 users in the next few months. So let me tell you why we're the perfect team to do this. So we've worked with several companies across the globe in our previous business and jobs, and we understand how they function. We have built scalable applications in the past. Our co-founder, CTO Gagan, was with Akamai, building highly scalable, performance-driven applications. We know the competitive landscape very well. We've tried and tested all the tools out there. We have built profitable businesses in the past. I came out of a successful IT services company to pursue this. We've driven marketing and sales activities. We've gotten customers. We've hired people in the past. Today, we also work with our mentor, Arturo, with 18 years of cross-vertical experience in sales, marketing, and executive management. We've got early revenue. We've got customers. We've got traction. We are on track to be cash positive in the next few months. Today, we're raising $1 million round to go faster and acquire more users. We're going to add 100,000 users in the next 12 months. And let me leave you today with a quick food for thought. Are you really being productive at work, or are you just being busy? Thank you.